Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Java, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you run into any issues along the way, feel free to drop a comment below, and I'll be happy to help. To download Java, all you need to do is search for JDK download and hit enter. This will bring up the Java download page. Click on the link, and it will take you to the official site. Don't worry, I'll include the direct link in the description so you can easily access it. Once you're on the site, scroll down and you'll see different versions of the Java JDK available, like JDK 23 and 21. There's also a list of supported operating systems. For Linux, switch to the Linux tab. For Mac OS, switch to the Mac tab. And for Windows, go to the Windows tab. Under the Windows section, you'll see three options. I recommend downloading the x64 MSI installer. MSI stands for Microsoft Installer. Just click on the download link, and the download will start automatically. Once the download is complete, simply click on the downloaded file to start the installation process. So this is our installation wizard. Let's first close our web browser. And here you can see the Java installation wizard. Just simply click on Next over here. This is where Java is going to be installed. It's going to create a JDK 23 folder, and within that, it will install all the necessary files. It's best to keep the directory as default, so once you've confirmed the path, just simply click on Next. You can see it asks for administrative privileges. Just simply click on Yes, and there you go. You can see our installation has started. This will take some time, probably a couple of minutes. Now you can clearly see that our Java SE development kit is installed. You can simply close this window now. Now that we know Java is installed, it's time to set up the environment path variable. This is a very important step, so let's move on to that. First, open your C drive and go to Program Files. Inside Program Files, you'll see that a new Java folder has been created. That's where our installation is. Open the Java folder, and you'll find the JDK 23 folder. This matches the version we just installed. Inside this folder, you'll see a lot of files, but what we're interested in is the bin folder. So open the bin folder, and again, you'll see a bunch of files here. Now look at the address bar at the top of this window. Click on it, and it will highlight the full path. Right-click on it, and choose Copy to copy the bin folder's path. Once you've copied the path, you can minimize this window. Next, click on the search icon in the taskbar and type Environment. You should see an option called Edit the System Environment Variables. Click on that. This will open the System Properties window. Here, click on the Environment Variables button at the bottom. Now, in the Environment Variables window, look for the path variable under the System Variables section. Select it and click Edit. This opens another window called Edit Environment Variable. Here, click New, then right-click and paste the path you copied earlier. Once you're done with that, simply click OK to save the changes. Now it's time to set the Java Home variable. So click on New again to create a new variable. For the variable name, enter Java Home. For the variable value, right-click and paste the same path you copied earlier. But this time, you need to remove the bin part. You should only keep the path up to C, Program Files Java JDK, that's all. Once you've done that, click OK. Then click OK again, and finally OK once more to save and close everything. Now that you know Java is installed, how do we verify it's working? To do that, simply go to the search bar again and type. This will open the command prompt. Once the command prompt is open, type java -- version and hit enter. After running the command, you should see something like Java or whatever the latest version is, showing up in the results. If you see that, it means Java is up and running perfectly. So now let's create a simple Hello World Java program. First, let's create a new folder. I'm going to name it Java Practice. Once inside the folder, right-click, go to New, and select Text Document. Now, name this file helloworld.java. Just make sure to remove the .txt extension and replace it with .java. You'll be asked, do you want to change the file extension? Just click Yes. Now let's open this file. Right-click it and choose Open with Notepad. In Notepad, type the following simple Hello World Java code. Once you've typed that out, go to File, Save, and save the file. Now go back to your folder and in the address bar type command and hit Enter. This will open the command prompt in the same folder where your file is saved. In the command prompt, type java cs space helloworld.java and hit Enter. This will compile your program and you'll see a helloworld.class file appear in your folder. To run the program, type java space helloworld and hit Enter. You should see the output Hello World in your console. This is how you can easily write, compile, and run a Java program. If you're just starting out, I recommend installing IntelliJ IDEA as well. It's a great IDE with a GUI for writing and managing Java projects more efficiently. That's all for this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more programming tutorials.